Training analysis require items, cutting slip section. Cutting slip are related in inventory, require category. We can see that this order include require item of make product. Cutting slip includes the analysis function. Here from orders, we can include dates, company, season, division, or other product information, color, fabric. The analysis function automates the purchasing, production, and delivery workflow and exists in cutting slip. Let's make an analysis for delivery June 1st. We can select the item and see the detail, and we can select and unselect detail or complete order. Let's make a search only for a specific fabric, and we're going to recalculate the total. We're going to reserve fabric here and generate cutting slip. We can select the cutting slip, selecting the color to see details who's been ordering to customers. We can add overcut for a total of 60 based on the breakdown of the order, or we can select another breakdown. We can see the overcut here. We can undercut all orders by priority, shipping date, but this time we're going to select into the detail a specific order, and we're going to undercut this one. And we can see the undercut. To merge different versions into a single print, you select the product, like here, all the cutting slip on hold, and instead of printing, you make a report, cut summary, and print format. You will care only for code.